Hello there, I'm Zenab. I'm currently living in London and I'm an English teacher. I've been teaching English for many years, from basic level to higher levels and also intermediate. I'm currently in Windsor Castle, as you can see. This is where the Queen comes to relax during periods of the year, and it has passed as her second home after Buckingham Palace. If you do come to the UK, there is lots of opportunity and there is a very big advantage of learning English the correct way. You get to learn many different accents and see many different people from many different cultures and societies. Coming to London in particular is amazing because London is a very diverse, multicultural city. There is lots of opportunity in London, as with the UK, and I would love to teach you English. So if you do come to London, it will be my pleasure to teach you English, and I hope to see you soon.